Welcome back, children. And now we go with the topic changes around us. Change is the transaction of a substance from one form to another. We see many changes around us. We see changes like day and night, summer and winter, and so on. We also see changes in objects, growth of a tree, ripening of fruits, falling of leaves are some of the changes taking place around us. You can observe changes in you also. Your height and weight increases, hair and nail grow, and you have grown up as a whole compared to last year. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. Yes, children, the changes around us. ரஜினி தாத்தா சொன்ன மாதிரி மாற்றம் ஒன்றே மாறாதது. ஓகேவா? We'll have changes every day and even every minute. Okay. See, day and night, the changes like day and night, summer and winter, and so on, and the tree grows up. We just sow a seed and it grows into a big tree. It is also a change. Then காயா இருக்கும், அந்த காயை என்ன பண்ணுறது, பழமாக மாறிடும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ a change. And then the leaf will grow into a new leaf, and it after a few days it will shed, கீழே விழுந்துரும் இல்லையா. So that is also a change. And the changes will be occur in yourself also. We are growing up, isn't it? Last yearக்கு இப்போ நம்ம கூடியிருப்போம். அதுவும் இந்த லாக்டவுனில் everyone are increased in your weights, isn't it? Simply sitting, watching TV, then eating, then sleeping and doing the works, not at all going to play, only playing with mobiles, and your weight is increased in it. Likewise, these changes are appearing everywhere, every things around us. Okay, changes around us are divided into two, reversible change and irreversible change. Now let us see about the reversible change. Changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. If you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transferred into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. Okay, now listen, children. While you are keeping the water into the freezer, it becomes ice. After some time, take the ice cubes and keep it outside, it will begin into water. So it just going on. So this is called reversible change. Okay, and now we are going to see about irreversible changes. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. If you burn a piece of paper, it burns and turns into ashes. It cannot become paper again. This is an irreversible change. Yes, நம்ம ஒரு பேப்பரை burn பண்ணிட்டோம்னா it will begin to ash, சாம்பலா போயிடும். அந்த சாம்பலை மறுபடியும் பேப்பர் ஆக்க முடியுமா? No, it can't. That is called irreversible changes. Okay, and then yes, take an activity 1, take an elastic band and stretch it to the maximum. Now release it. What do you observe? Cut it into 2 pieces. Can you get the band back now? Back again? No. ஒரு ரப்பர் பேண்ட் எடுத்துட்டீங்க, ரப்பர் பேண்டை நல்லா இழுத்து விடுங்க, மறுபடியும் it just roll into its rubber band. அந்த ரப்பர் பேண்ட் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும், ஸ்ட்ரெச் ஆகும், அப்புறம் திருப்பி அது ஸ்ட்ரிங் ஆகி it will be remaining the same. But if you cut the rubber band, what will happen? Can you get the rubber band again? No. That is called irreversible change. Okay, and then take a balloon and blow air into it. You can see that the shape and size of the balloon is changed. ஆமாம், நம்ம ஊதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பலூன் எப்படி இருக்கும்? குட்டியாக இருக்கும். நம்ம ஊதுனது the size will be big. And now escape the air. ஏரை விட்டுட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகிடும்? அந்த பலூன் திருப்பி it shrinks. It come to its back position. But if you prick with the needle or prick with the pin, ஒரு பின் வச்சு அதை குத்திட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த balloon burst ஆயிடும். Now it can become into a new balloon. Old balloon மாதிரி குட்டியா வந்துருமா? No, it can't. That is irreversible and this is reversible change. Okay, and now from these activities you can observe some difference between reversible and irreversible changes. Difference between reversible and irreversible changes are listed below. Yes, see, they have given some differences between the reversible and the irreversible changes. Let us see that. Reversible change. A substance can turn to its original state. A substance can turn to its original state, but reversible change, the substance cannot change to its original state. The chemical properties of the substance do not change. The chemical properties enna agadu change agave agadu reversible change la. But in irreversible change, the chemical properties of the substance will change. Okay va, the chemical properties enna aidum maaridum. Then most of the physical changes are reversible. Physical changes எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணும், reversible-க்கு மாறிடும். All chemical changes are irreversible changes. Chemical changesலாம் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, திருப்பி reversible-க்கு கொண்டு வர முடியாது. It will be as irreversible. Okay, here the activity 3 is given. Just do it and answer it. Okay ma? Yes.